In today's video, we are going to show you how to get the list ID in ClickUp. It's a super handy step if you're working with automations, integrations, or API setup. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, I want you to head to your workspace, which can be found in the left side area of our navigation. This is where your list is located. It's pretty simple to locate. Now, let me tell you that the workspace is going to be like a small container containing all your projects and tasks. From here, I want you to hover to the List tab because this will enable us to find the list ID by going to the exact list right here. Okay, for example, I'm going to be choosing this one. Hover down to the right side corner where you can see the three dots icon. If you do, there should be an option for you to copy that ID. Okay, now once it's copied, you can paste it to your clipboard, you can send it to your social media platform, you can send it via email, whatever your purposes may be. Now, if you wanted to know the list ID, for example, click the add a task and paste the copied ID. You see that? Basically, that's how you get your list ID here in ClickUp. Now, this list ID is super helpful if you need to grab it for your API calls, automations, or integrations. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.